The future is here, and it's flying high above us. Drones, once a novelty, are rapidly becoming an integral part of our lives. These unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are no longer just remote-controlled toys. They are evolving into sophisticated machines powered by artificial intelligence, capable of transforming industries and reshaping our world. AI is breathing new life into drones, giving them the ability to think, learn, and act autonomously. This fusion of AI and drone technology is poised to revolutionize various sectors, from agriculture and logistics to surveillance and disaster relief. The potential applications are limitless, promising a future where drones play a pivotal role in solving complex challenges and improving our daily lives. Imagine a world where drones deliver packages to your doorstep, inspect crops with pinpoint accuracy, and provide real-time surveillance for enhanced security. This is the future that AI-powered drones are building, a future where the sky is no longer the limit, but the starting point for innovation and progress. As we venture into this new era of aviation, it's crucial to understand the current state of AI in drone technology, the potential advancements on the horizon, and the ethical and regulatory considerations that come with this transformative technology. AI is already making its mark on the drone industry, enabling these flying machines to perform tasks that were once thought impossible. Drones are now equipped with computer vision, allowing them to see and interpret their surroundings in real time. This enables them to avoid obstacles, navigate complex environments, and even track moving objects with impressive precision. Machine learning algorithms are further enhancing drone capabilities, enabling them to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Drones can now analyze vast amounts of data collected during flights, identifying patterns and making predictions that enhance their efficiency and effectiveness. For instance, delivery drones can optimize routes based on traffic patterns and weather conditions, while agricultural drones can identify crop stress and adjust irrigation accordingly. The current generation of AI-powered drones is already demonstrating the transformative potential of this technology. However, these advancements are just the tip of the iceberg. Researchers and engineers are continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible, developing even more sophisticated AI algorithms and sensors that will further enhance drone capabilities in the years to come. From improved object recognition and tracking to autonomous decision-making and swarm intelligence, the future of AI in drones is brimming with exciting possibilities. The future of AI-powered drones is being shaped by groundbreaking advancements in artificial intelligence. These advancements are revolutionizing drone operations across various domains. Autonomous navigation and swarm intelligence are key areas of development. AI algorithms enable drones to navigate complex environments and work together as cohesive units. The future of AI-powered drones is bright, unlocking unprecedented capabilities. The agriculture industry is ripe for disruption, and AI-powered drones are leading the charge. These flying machines are transforming traditional farming practices, offering farmers powerful tools to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance crop yields. Equipped with advanced sensors and imaging capabilities, AI drones can survey vast fields with remarkable precision. These drones can capture high-resolution images and collect data on various factors, including plant health, soil conditions, and irrigation levels. This data is then analyzed by AI algorithms, providing farmers with valuable insights to optimize their operations. For instance, AI drones can identify areas of a field where crops are stressed due to pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. This allows farmers to target interventions precisely, reducing the need for widespread pesticide or fertilizer application. AI drones can also monitor irrigation systems, identifying leaks or inefficiencies, and ensuring that crops receive the optimal amount of water. By embracing AI-powered drones, the agriculture industry is poised to become more sustainable, efficient, and productive. Section 5. Delivery drones. The future is at our doorstep. The way we shop and receive goods is on the verge of a revolution, thanks to the rise of delivery drones. These autonomous aerial vehicles are poised to transform the logistics and transportation industries, promising faster, cheaper, and more efficient delivery services. Imagine ordering a product online and having it delivered to your doorstep by a drone within hours, bypassing traffic congestion and reducing delivery times significantly. This is the future that AI-powered delivery drones are creating. Equipped with sophisticated navigation systems and obstacle avoidance capabilities, these drones can safely navigate urban environments and deliver packages to their destinations with pinpoint accuracy. Delivery drones offer numerous benefits beyond speed and efficiency. They can reduce traffic congestion, lower emissions by minimizing reliance on traditional delivery trucks, and provide faster delivery times for essential goods, particularly in remote or underserved areas. While there are still regulatory hurdles to overcome, the potential of delivery drones is undeniable. As technology continues to advance and regulations adapt, we can expect to see delivery drones becoming an increasingly common sight in our skies, revolutionizing the way we receive goods and services. Section 6. Flying Eyes in the Sky AI Drones in Surveillance. The use of AI-powered drones in surveillance is rapidly expanding, offering enhanced capabilities for security, monitoring, and law enforcement. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, facial recognition software, and other advanced sensors, these drones can monitor large areas, track individuals, and identify potential threats with remarkable accuracy. Law enforcement agencies are increasingly utilizing AI drones for surveillance operations, such as monitoring crime scenes, tracking suspects, and providing aerial support during emergencies. The drone's ability to cover vast distances and access hard-to-reach areas makes them invaluable tools for maintaining public safety. Beyond law enforcement, AI drones are being deployed for a wide range of surveillance applications. They are used to monitor critical infrastructure, such as power lines, pipelines, and bridges, identifying potential problems before they escalate into major issues. AI drones are also being utilized for environmental monitoring, tracking wildlife populations, detecting illegal logging activities, and assessing the impact of natural disasters. Section 7. Ethical and regulatory considerations, navigating the challenges. As AI-powered drones become increasingly sophisticated and prevalent, it's crucial to address the ethical and regulatory challenges they present. One significant concern is privacy. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and facial recognition software raise concerns about unauthorized surveillance and the potential for misuse of personal data. Striking a balance between leveraging drone technology for security and safeguarding individual privacy rights is paramount. Another ethical consideration is the potential for job displacement. As AI-powered drones automate tasks previously performed by humans, such as delivery services or agricultural work, there are concerns about job losses and economic inequality. Addressing these concerns through retraining programs and social safety nets is essential. Regulatory frameworks are also struggling to keep pace with the rapid advancements in drone technology. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate the use of AI-powered drones, ensuring safety, security, and responsible operation. Establishing clear guidelines for drone operation, licensing, and data protection is crucial to fostering public trust and enabling the responsible growth of this transformative technology. Section 8. The future of AI-powered drones, predictions and possibilities. The future of AI-powered drones is brimming with possibilities, with experts predicting continued innovation and widespread adoption across various industries. Advances in AI, battery technology, and sensor capabilities will lead to even more sophisticated drones with enhanced autonomy, range, and functionality. One exciting prediction is the rise of drone air taxis. Companies are already developing electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that leverage AI for autonomous flight, promising to revolutionize urban transportation. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the drone revolution. The integration of AI into drone technology is revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we live, work, and interact with our world. From agriculture and delivery services to surveillance and transportation, AI-powered drones are poised to play an increasingly prominent role in our daily lives. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. However, as we embrace the drone revolution, it's crucial to address the ethical and regulatory challenges they present. Balancing innovation with responsible use, ensuring privacy protection, and establishing clear regulatory frameworks will be essential for harnessing the full potential of AI-powered drones while mitigating potential risks. The future of AI-powered drones is bright, promising a world where these flying machines enhance our lives, solve complex challenges, and shape a more efficient, sustainable, and technologically advanced future.